Good morning, all of you. I am Ruchi Sharma from Jamia Millia Islamia, PhD scholar from Department of Institute of Advanced Studies. My topic is developing mathematical concepts through Brunner theory, which is reflected in this quotation of Jerome Brunner. We teach a subject not to produce little living librarians on that subject, but rather to get a student to think for himself, to consider matters, to take part in the process of knowledge getting. Knowing is the process, not a product. As I've already told you, the topic of my presentation is developing mathematical concepts through Brunner theory. It's an inquest into the Brunner's theory of knowledge construction of learners and in teaching learning process with reference to mathematical concept. Here mathematical concept fraction is considered, and it is a way to find out does it really work in Indian perspective in Indian classrooms. The purpose of the study was to assess the effectiveness of conceptual framework of Brunner's theory in instruction and develop teaching learning strategies for mathematics from its perspective. The Brunner talks about three modes of presentation, which is enactive, iconic and symbolic. Here all three modes of presentations were taken in the sequence and were the core part of classroom strategies. Classroom strategies were and the assessment tools were developed on the basis of these three modes of presentation. As we know, enactive talks about learn through movement of action, iconic learn through images, and symbolic is through abstract symbols. Discovery learning is also given a consideration in this work. The design of study, it's a type of quasi-experimental study which was conducted in two phases. The first phase was to develop learning strategies based on Brunner's theory and its implementation. In second phase, the students were assessed on the basis of teaching done through these strategies. The findings of the study are based on the qualitative analysis. The sample was selected through not probability sampling technique, and 20 students were taken as sample of grade 3 of age group 8 to 10 years from a government school. Tools used in this study were classroom strategies, diary notes, observation schedules, assessment tests, which were developed by the researcher and in an open-ended interview schedule. Classroom strategies consist out of the sort of lesson plans. Observation schedules were to observe the activities and the students' role and participation. Note the role of students' participation. The major findings of the work were: the premise of the framework was to provide opportunities to learner to construct their own understanding through discovery. The conceptual framework of half during inactive stage developed with possession as compared to iconic. However, children's performance in iconic stage was more helpful as after inactive stage. Brunner's sequence of presentation was found to be more effective when followed in totality as compared to the in absence of inactive stage. In the absence of inactive stage, it was becoming a bit difficult for the learner to understand the concept holistically. Initial difficulties faced by the students in dealing with the set as compared to region were facilitated by the sequence of presentation. So was the case in part-whole relationship. During this process of learning, it was evident that children's spatial understanding and concept of area had facilitated children's knowledge construction. That's all. Thank you.